Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to set up a recurring buy on Coinbase. So if you've been wondering how to set up a recurring buy on Coinbase, this video is for you. I'm gonna give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. It's gonna be a quick video, so let's just get straight into it. Now the first thing you're gonna do is to log into your Coinbase account. You can log into your Coinbase account on the mobile app, or you can do that on the official website. Now once you're logged into your account, you just want to go to the buy sell section, and then you're gonna select the cryptocurrency, and then you're gonna click on recurring buy. And now you're gonna need to set the recurring buy frequency. It could be recurring buy for daily, weekly, monthly, or whatever. Just set the recurring buy frequency, and then you're gonna set the recurring buy amount. So you set the frequency. Now you gotta set how much you want to buy recurring. And once that's done, just confirm the recurring buy setup, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys on how to set up a recurring buy on Coinbase. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.